Continue dancing our debutante. Moving on with our fifth dance coming from Mr. Christian Greg and Iseo. Continue dancing our debutant. Our next dance is coming from the old Igor of the debutant, Mr. Lloyd Calvario.
Inatabag gusto ko yung kwento.
Continue dancing our debutant. Our seventh dance is coming from Mr. J.L. Sabati.
Dapat yung tatapigin eh. Hinga, sabi nila. Hindi nila ginagawa eh.
Oo yan, natin ako. Gaganin din niya yung napapalit sa kanya.
Oo, ganun. Kasi millennial lang kasi Kuya Tom.
Pampastos mo.
Parang Mobile Legend lang yan Kuya Tom.
Continue dancing our debutant as our next dance, the eighth dance coming from Mr. Chris Maverick Belton.